Hello, my dear friend. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an endless flow of money while others struggle no matter how hard they try? I know it can feel frustrating, but I'm here to tell you that you have the power to change your financial reality. Yes, you heard me right. Money isn't just about what you do on the outside, it's deeply connected to what's happening on the inside. The way you think, feel, and believe about money shapes your financial experiences. And today I'm going to share something that could completely shift the way you view abundance. I've been using affirmations for years, and the results I've experienced have been nothing short of life-changing. But the first time I tried money affirmations, I was honestly skeptical. I didn't expect much. How could saying a few words change my entire financial situation? But what I found surprised me in ways I never imagined. I can tell you, the results I got after 30 days of money affirmations were shocking, and today I want to share that with you. I started this journey just like anyone else, feeling overwhelmed, maybe even a bit defeated by the constant stress around money. At first, the affirmations felt like empty words. But as I continued, something started to shift. I noticed small changes. My attitude about money started to soften. I stopped fearing bills and began seeing them as opportunities to create something new. I began feeling worthy of abundance. And here's the thing, those small shifts led to bigger ones. If you want to experience the same results, I encourage you to be patient with yourself. Changing the way we think about money isn't always instant. But if you stick with it and stay open, the universe will start to respond. You'll begin to notice synchronicities, new opportunities, and even unexpected financial blessings. That's the power of shifting your inner beliefs. So, what do you need to do? Well, for the next 30 days, I invite you to repeat these affirmations every morning and evening. Say them with feeling. Don't just rush through them. Let the words sink in. Let them become a part of who you are. Here are some of my favorite money affirmations to get you started. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of receiving abundant wealth. I attract financial opportunities every day. I release all fear and doubt around money. I am grateful for the abundance I already have in my life. Now, here's something that might surprise you. The most powerful part of these affirmations isn't just saying them, it's feeling them. You need to believe, even just for a moment, that you are worthy of abundance. You need to feel the energy of what it would be like if you already had everything you desired. But it's not just about repeating words. Affirmations are meant to change your energy. They shift your vibration to match the frequency of wealth and abundance. The more you say them, the more you'll start to feel that abundance is already on its way to you. You see, the energy of money is all around us. It's not something that's separate from who we are. It's a part of the flow of life. And when we align ourselves with that flow, money naturally finds its way to us. Over the course of the 30 days, I started seeing more and more evidence that these affirmations were working. I received unexpected gifts, opportunities to earn money, and even a few surprise checks in the mail. It was like the universe was responding to my new beliefs and sending me signs that I was on the right path. But it wasn't just the financial results that shocked me, it was the change in my mindset. I stopped feeling anxious or fearful about money. I started feeling confident, abundant, and deserving, and that, my friend, is when the magic truly happened. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Affirmations aren't a magic formula that will instantly make you a millionaire, but they will change your relationship with money. They will help you see money not as a limited resource, but as something that's always available to you. And that's a mindset that can lead to lasting financial change. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to these affirmations for 30 days. Say them every day with conviction. Feel the truth of the words in your heart. And when you start to see those small shifts, celebrate them. Each little sign is proof that the universe is aligning with your new beliefs. The more you celebrate, the more you'll attract. One of the most important things I learned during my 30 days of money affirmations is that gratitude plays a huge role in this process. The more grateful you are for the money you have, the more you'll attract. It's all about shifting your focus from lack to abundance. When you're grateful for the money you already have, you signal to the universe that you're open to receiving more. So, start small. Look at your bank account and say, "I'm grateful for this money and I know that more is on the way." Feel the gratitude in your heart. It doesn't matter if you have a little or a lot right now. Gratitude will open the door to more. And here's something else I want to remind you of. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about the energy behind it. When you approach money with love, respect, and gratitude, you send out a vibration that attracts more of the same energy back to you. The universe doesn't differentiate between small amounts and large amounts of money, it just responds to your energy. As you continue with these affirmations, I encourage you to pay attention to how your thoughts and feelings about money evolve. You may notice that your relationship with money becomes more peaceful. You may feel less anxious about your financial future. And the more you practice these affirmations, the more you'll begin to see your reality shift. The universe always responds to your energy. If you hold a positive, abundant mindset, you'll attract opportunities and resources that align with that energy. So keep going. Trust that the changes are happening even if you don't see them right away. The most powerful thing I've learned through this process is that money is simply a reflection of the energy we put out into the world. If we believe we are worthy of abundance, if we feel grateful for what we have, and if we trust that the universe is always providing, we will continue to receive more. You might start to notice changes in your life outside of just finances. Maybe people start to show up with helpful advice, or new job offers come your way. These shifts aren't just coincidental, they are the results of the new energy you are putting out into the universe. By changing your internal dialogue and aligning your thoughts with abundance, you are creating a magnet for opportunity. The key is to stay open and grateful, even if things don't immediately look the way you expected. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Another important thing to keep in mind as you move forward is the idea of giving. The more you give, the more you receive. This doesn't just mean money. It can be your time, your energy, or your kindness. When you give without expecting anything in return, you are signaling to the universe that you trust it to provide for you. Giving creates a flow of energy that can lead to unexpected blessings. It's not about sacrificing yourself or your resources, it's about creating a cycle of abundance. The more you contribute, the more you invite opportunities to flow into your life. As you move forward with your affirmations, recall this: you are deserving of all the wealth and abundance that life has to offer. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs are shaping your financial reality. When you change your inner world, your outer world changes too. I'm so excited for you to experience the results of this practice. I know that if you stick with it, you will be amazed at what happens. Trust in the process and trust in yourself. You are worthy of all the abundance that the universe has to offer. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Have you noticed any changes in your thinking since you started these affirmations? Are you beginning to feel more at ease with money? Are you seeing small signs that your financial situation is improving? If so, celebrate those victories, big or small. They are evidence that the universe is aligning with your new beliefs. Keep going, keep practicing, and know that every affirmation you say is a step toward creating the financial reality you desire. This is your life, and you have the power to shape it. The universe is ready to support you, and as you move forward, note to share this practice with others. When we all shift our thinking and beliefs about money, we create a world of abundance for everyone. Let's start with ourselves and ripple that energy out into the world. You are capable, you are worthy, and the abundance you desire is already on its way. Start today and watch how everything begins to change.